I was today years old when I found this out. I bought this sterilite down at Walmart. I bought two of them, and I was going to use them to store all of my t-shirts in for my sublimation and t-shirt business. So I tried taking the top off because I thought it'd be nice to stack these. Well, lo and behold, the lid came off. And then I'm got the other one over here waiting. I'm like, okay, let's look at the bottom of this one and see what the bottom of it looks like. Well, whenever I turned it over, there's my little baby doggy helping me in the craft room. There was some holes right there. Well, let me tell you, this girl was just like, ooh, I can't wait to try this. So, sorry about all the moving around. I was in there by myself besides my little baby. So I picked it up and I went over and put it on there. And look at that, y'all. It's going to fit right in there. Look. Snap. And then snap. You got to go and snap all four sides, y'all. Well, now, instead of having a 3-drawer storage on rollers, I actually now have a 6-drawer rolling cabinet, per se. Ain't that something else, y'all? And look at this. It will still turn around. I've loaded it up since then, and I haven't had any trouble. And then I have 4 extra wheels. Anyways, y'all like this, follow.